Hi again, this is Irfan. This is what I have come across. It was my recent find. Canon AE-1 Program. Comes with a very special Olympic cap, but it's not an Olympic version. That was slightly different. As far as I know, Canon AE-1 Program cameras came out in early 1980s. With a special feature program mode wherein camera automatically sets shutter and aperture on this own, and you just need to point your camera towards your subject. The metering is very effective in this model. Works great. I haven't film tested it, but it looks like it's working perfectly. Slight noisy in terms of shutter, but that was a very common problem with Canon AE-1 series cameras. Earlier model was AE-1, and then they came with AE-1 program, which is incredibly popular among beginners as well as experienced photographers. It's also known as, in the US, they call it a school camera. Schools are, desperately looking for Canon AE-1 programs for their students. They offer that short-term photography course for the students to get an idea about the film photography. Looks pretty good. Nothing very special. It does show some edge wear, some scratches here and there, but overall in a very decent condition. And more important is the fact that it's working. Getting these cameras serviced costs a lot of money. They are not worth that much. Pretty decent 50mm standard lens, f1.8, very good performer. Shoots very well, manual focus lens. But the program mode makes it a little easier outside or indoors to shoot with. Indoors, you obviously need to use a flash. You're most welcome to write me your comments. In case you have any questions, feel free to write to me. Thank you very much for your time.